Looking great, buddy. Looking great. You look fantastic. Really. Do you feel like a dinosaur? Perfect. I don't even know what you're saying. Your outfit is falling apart. You need to condense. Like, shove it up in there. Like, you could have used that. Next fucking level. You're waterproof for the next, like, 3 rains. You kind of look like a swan. A bit of a swan. Yeah, it's great. Say what? I do not. Sorry, my dear friend, you might catch on fire. Holy shit. Yeah, see you later. Have a great night. Yeah, don't. Yeah, you're so fine for the rain. Next level. Just yeah, like up on under. Like up on under. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you're sweet. Just like the other one. There's another piece. Yeah. Yeah, you're pretty much alright. You need a bit of a train. Holy shit. Yeah, a bit of a train. It's okay, you're all good. You're all good. Yeah. You're okay. You're all, yeah, pretty much. You're like, you know. Yeah, go in there. They need to see this. They would love it. That's a Mandarin hotel, by the way. He's not going in. Alright, good luck with your outfit.